No internet connection? No problem for the new Virtual Tours Creator app. Let me show you how to make virtual tours when you have no connection in the property. To do a virtual tour offline, you need to start it when you are still in the office, when you have Wi-Fi connection or any reception before going to a property. All you need to do is click on Add a new tour, then type in the property address so you know where it is, semi-offline, and then create. Now the system has registered that the tour exists and you are now free to go to any area without reception to shoot your virtual tour. When you arrive in the property, you'll simply open this virtual tour and go add a new panorama, shoot all your photos, and when finished, you're gonna have to drive back to your office where you're gonna reconnect the phone to Wi-Fi, and that's when you can upload all your photos and have a perfect virtual tour. So semi-offline tours are the way to go now. Enjoy. Let us know if it works. Thank you. Bye bye.